Thank you so much for this opportunity. It's an honor and a pleasure, and I'm so excited to be here. I started 15 weeks ago. I started October 10th of 2023 at like 8:30 p.m. And I was so excited. I was so pumped. I was on the launch call with Dre and with Jazz since like August whenever they did it. And I was just waiting for the Spanish modules to launch. I started because I wanted to maybe make 500, 1,000, maybe $2,000 extra a month. And come to see, it grew tremendously. So I'm just so extremely grateful to Dre and to Jazz for making this possible. When you guys launched UBC, I'm talking about all the creators, I said, this is where I have to be. Like, this is what I have to learn because I've seen their growth. I love the community that they're building. I love just the way that they're so natural and honest and real, and they show themselves. And so when they launched UBC, I knew that this was real and that this was something that I wanted to do. And so I want to show you guys a little bit more about the Instagram, because I started duplicating exactly what I liked seeing from Dre and from Jazz. And I literally duplicated everything, creatively copied, but I always say not so creatively because in the beginning, I didn't even know what to post. So I was literally like copy and paste. And I started doing that, but then I started finding my own voice and, doing my own thing on Instagram. And I'm going to show my profile because I started this account on October 22nd of 2023. So literally 14 weeks ago as of yesterday, I believe, 14 or 15. And I'm going to go here, and we just hit from zero. We literally hit 100,000 followers in 14 weeks. You guys, I started my original Instagram account years ago, and I had only hit 10, 11,000 followers in that whole time period. And now in the span of 14 weeks, not even 4 months, 3.5 months, I was able to go from zero to over 100,000 followers. It's insane. Like, I say it and I don't even believe it. And this is on UBC. This is literally implementing every single strategy that I saw, not only in the course, but in the community, following step by step, always looking to elevate, always looking to get better. And this is something insane that I was not expecting. Like I said, I was expecting to make an extra $1,000, maybe $2,000 a month. And and this is my payment platform. If I go on to Stripe, as of October of 2023, officially I have, oh my gosh, I have another sale. I was at 2,300.
Okay, wait. Are you at 2,000 for the day today? Almost 3K.
Almost 3K for the day up here. And officially, I'm at $96,000 generated in income ever since I started. And you can see I started in October. October, $600 in October. November, almost $17,000. December, $31,000. January, we're about to hit a 50K month.
Wow. Babe, what the hell?
The
course. She didn't even create the course. She's making $50,000 this month.
It's insane. It's insane.
This makes me so happy because it's the proof is in the pudding, yo. The proof is in the pudding because she's making more than me and Jazz.
And you guys can see it's real.
Wow.
This goes straight to your bank account within 2 to 3 business days. You can see it's real. It goes straight to my bank account. It's insane. I have my mom on here. I have my best friend on here. And it's real. It's real. And when I first started seeing this, I didn't believe it. I was like, okay, let's say maybe they make 50%. That's good. But like, it's probably not what they're saying it is. But when I saw Dre and Jazz launch this, I was like, holy crap, it is. It's real. And that's when my belief went up. And I share this with you because you may not know Jazz or Dre or Jazz or some of the people on here, but I'm telling you, it's something that behind the scenes, I kept asking myself if it was real. But when I saw these ladies, these group of people start, I knew that it had to be. So, and you're seeing the proof. There's no way to edit or modify this. It's real. So I'm just so extremely grateful to Dre, Jazz, and every single person, all of the 23 contributors that have made this possible. I'm so excited for everything that's coming because if up until now, with everything that we've had, we've grown this much, we've helped so many people make this much, pay debt, live new experiences, have more tranquility, like more peace, just being able to be more present in life and with your family, with your loved ones. If up until now we've done this, imagine what's to come. I think this is one of the newest courses, but it's also one of the biggest success stories, one of the biggest quickest success stories within this industry. I'm so excited for everything that's to come. And I just want you to think about this. Everything that's trending, everything that's popping off right now, these people that you see here as your panelists, Jazz, Dre, and everybody else that's a part of it, they have already thought about it and they're already putting more in. They could easily make another course, make a whole nother course and benefit off of it, but they're just putting more and more and more value into this. So I love the community. I love everything that we're doing. Thank you guys so much. And I'm so excited for what's to come.
Oh my God. Like literally I get so giddy when I see her, man. I get so giddy, babe, because I'm so proud of you. Like it literally makes me want to tear up because that is a life-changing amount of money. It is a life-changing circumstance. Like it's just like, it's crazy, bro. It's absolutely crazy. And it's just, it just goes to show you that like I said, the proof is in the pudding. The strategies work. She's been working online for like 6 years before she started UBC. So she's already known like strategies and how to post and like, but she still learned new stuff that took her to 100K. I haven't even reached 100K yet. Okay. Like, it's just insane to me. Like it's a mixture of strategy. It's a mixture of her being a good person and a genuine person that genuinely attracts good things that come to her. And if you watch her and you see her like post, you'll see like she deserves it. She's just like such a genuine person. So she hosts the Monday calls. So if you speak Spanish, she'll be hosting those calls and you can learn nuggets from her. But thank you so much, Isa, for hopping on and hosting for us. She is our biggest success story, as I told you guys. But listen, if that intimidates you, we have a lot of other success stories, guys. We have a lot of other people who make $1,000 a month, $5,000 a month, even a couple $1,000s a month. We have a lot of people who didn't make any money for like 6 months and then blew up. Like there's different stories, okay? We're just sharing hers because it's absolutely insane. But remember, you're in this for the long run and everyone's story is going to be different. And who cares? If at the end of the day, you can get to, building a different type of income for yourself and for your family that's attached to not only income, but freedom. That's what the goal is here. Our goal is just to help as many people as we can and build a bomb-ass community. And if you're ready to get started, okay, this is what I want you to do, okay? I want you to grab the sign up link from the person who got you on this call. Please do not go to any other people. Whoever you registered on the call with, that's who you should grab the sign up link from. Okay, we do things ethically around here. So whoever you signed up and you registered, just message them and say, hey, what's the link to sign up? I'm ready. And they will give you their link to sign up. And all you got to do is buy the course. It's $4.99. And you can explore your options with that person. All you got to do is buy the course, go back to the person who got you on this call, ask your questions. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Our goal is to really build the most valuable course in the industry and to have just the most infectious, amazing, bomb-ass community. So if you're ready to make money, come make money with us. If you're ready to build, come build with us. If you're ready to grow, okay, come grow with us. Thank you so much for tuning in.